It was a chilly December morning at the KidArt house. Dad walked into the KidArt studio, carrying a cardboard box labeled Christmas decorations. Franklyn looked inside the empty box and felt sad. Lizzy stood next to Franklyn and frowned because the box was empty. Dad smiled and told the kids to use their imagination. Suddenly, Reddy and Blue ran into the room wearing warm winter sweaters. Yelly followed them, holding a box of fresh art supplies. First, Dad cut a large piece of green paper into a pointy shape with 3 corners. Franklyn pointed at the paper and recognized the big green triangle. Blue dipped his paintbrush into a bucket to paint bright green texture on the branches. Reddy used a big red marker to draw perfect circles on the tree. Yelly used a yellow crayon to draw a bright star at the very top of the triangle tree. Next, Lizzy wanted to make snowflakes. Dad showed her how to fold a square piece of white paper. Lizzy used her safety scissors to snip small shapes out of the folded paper edges. When Lizzy unfolded the paper, it had transformed into a beautiful white snowflake. Franklyn hung the paper snowflakes from the ceiling using string. Reddy started drawing a pattern of red circles on plain brown wrapping paper. Blue painted green squares next to the red circles. Yelly spun around, adding swirls of shiny gold glitter glue to make the wrapping paper sparkle. The sun began to set outside the KidArt studio window. Dad plugged in the cord, and the room lit up with magic lights. Franklyn and Lizzy cheered happily at the decorations. Reddy and Blue gave each other a high five. Yelly clapped her hands because they had saved Christmas.